How I fixed my age spots with a cheap kitchen ingredient. Age spots, also known as liver spots or sunspots, are a common skin concern for many people as they age. These small, dark areas on the skin can be caused by prolonged sun exposure, aging, and genetic factors. While there are numerous treatments available, many of them are expensive or involve harsh chemicals. However, I discovered a simple, inexpensive kitchen ingredient that helped me erase my age spots: lemon juice. The power of lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries due to its high vitamin C content and natural acidity. These properties make it an effective treatment for lightening age spots and improving overall skin tone. Here's how lemon juice works. 1. Natural bleaching agent. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which has natural bleaching properties. This acid can help lighten the pigmentation of age spots over time, making them less visible. 2. Exfoliation. The citric acid in lemon juice also acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and promote the growth of new healthy skin. This can lead to a more even skin tone and reduced appearance of age spots. 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It also promotes collagen production, which can improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and age spots. My lemon juice treatment routine. Here's how I used lemon juice to effectively reduce my age spots. Ingredients: fresh lemon, cotton ball or pad. Instructions. Preparation: cut a fresh lemon in half and squeeze out the juice into a small bowl. Application: soak a cotton ball or pad in the lemon juice. Apply the lemon juice directly to the age spots, gently dabbing the area. Be careful to avoid any open cuts or sensitive areas. Wait and rinse. Leave the lemon juice on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse your skin with lukewarm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Moisturize. After rinsing, apply a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Lemon juice can be drying, so moisturizing is essential. Sun protection. Always apply sunscreen if you're going out in the sun after treatment. Lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to UV rays, so protection is crucial. Frequency. I repeated this treatment once daily for several weeks. Consistency is key to seeing results. Results and benefits. Within a few weeks of using this lemon juice treatment, I began to notice a significant reduction in the appearance of my age spots. My skin looked brighter, more even-toned, and felt smoother. Here are some of the benefits I experienced. Reduced pigmentation. The natural bleaching properties of lemon juice lightened the dark spots, making them less noticeable. Improved skin texture. Regular exfoliation helped remove dead skin cells, revealing fresher, healthier skin. Cost-effective. Lemon juice is an inexpensive, readily available ingredient, making this treatment accessible for everyone. Precautions. While lemon juice can be effective, it's essential to use it cautiously to avoid any adverse reactions. Patch test. Before applying lemon juice to your face, do a patch test on a small area of your skin to ensure you don't have a sensitivity or allergy to it. Avoid sun exposure. Lemon juice can make your skin more photosensitive, so avoid direct sun exposure after treatment and always use sunscreen. Dilution. If you have sensitive skin, consider diluting the lemon juice with a bit of water to reduce its potency. Erasing age spots doesn't have to involve expensive treatments or harsh chemicals. With a simple kitchen ingredient like lemon juice, you can achieve noticeable improvements in your skin's appearance. This natural remedy not only lightens age spots, but also enhances overall skin health. By incorporating this routine into your skincare regimen and taking necessary precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of clearer, more youthful-looking skin.